Good future millionaires, we back with another banger, man. Y'all already know what time it is, man. I hope y'all feel it. I hope y'all are feeling it. So shout out to everybody that's about to pull up. Y'all already know I'm DecemberDeMarco, Fortune 500 marketer. Just here to share my insights of the market with y'all to hopefully help y'all become better informed investors. Hey, salute to y'all for pulling up on the channel. Make sure you hit that thumbs up like button for the YouTube algorithm and do not forget to subscribe, man. We're going to give it a second. Let everybody pull up in the building. Let them get this news that we can all use, y'all. We got a sign in the market that's showing us Shiba Inu breakout is imminent. Now, remember, none of you here in this stream is financial advice. You got to do your own due diligence and remember to never risk more than you're willing to lose. So let's give it a moment for the people to pull up, man. Share the stream. Let everyone know we are live right now, man. Shout out to y'all, man. We got a few people already pulled up in the building, man. Let's see. HJFJ90 says hi. Shout out to HJ. Snub Nose says, man, bro, I've been trying to get in the Facebook group for 3 years, fam. Shaking my head. Man, my bad, bro. That group is backed up. The waiting list for that group is really backed up. And I promise you, I'm going to try to do everything I can before the new year to get everybody who wants to be a part of that group inside of our group. Our Facebook group, if you don't know, we got over 6,000 active investors over there. Private stock market game on Facebook. Tap in with that if you want to get in. Because once I open the door, like bro just said, he been on the waiting list to get in for 3 years now. So it's about to open. I'm going to let everybody in. I'm just about to let everybody in. We're going to see, you know, how that goes. But Biddy Boo Brown says, hello, everyone. Salute to Biddy Boo Brown pulling up on us. AJ says, when will Shiba drop 2 zeros, man? I can't tell you exactly because obviously I got to say it again. Just some more people tuned in. This is not financial advice. You got to do your own due diligence and never risk more than you're willing to lose. But y'all, I believe we are about to see something absolutely crazy with Shiba Inu. Let's keep going, though. Shout out to Freeze, man. Salute to Freeze pulling up. What up, bro? Crypto Home 777 in the building says, hello, everyone. Hey, share the stream. Let everybody know we are live right now. Shout out to Danny B in the building says, like SHIB, but VIT is my true love. Man, we got something. Hey, let the VIT community know. Shout out to all my high rollers. Y'all, we are working on the Crypto Messiah collab, y'all. Stay tuned. It ain't a promise yet, but we working on that, y'all. So, you know, that's some alpha right there if you didn't know about Vegas Inu token. If you want to check out Vegas Inu token, all the information to the project is linked in the description section of this video. And it might be wise to tap in with it before, you know, obviously some people feel differently about Crypto Messiah. Some people rock with them. I rock with them. Some people, you know, they don't. But hey, we can't deny that the man does have value in the space. So we looking to put that in the works. So shout out to the VIT community. Isaac says, so is going to go up Shiba break to 3011. Man, look, we're going to talk about Shiba Inu price technical analysis on this stream. We're going to start off with that. Matter of fact, that's what y'all want to do. Snub says, for show, right on. Salute. Love Vibes in the building says, blessing everyone. Durham Coin says, hey, bro, how are you? All is well, bro. Thank you for asking that, man. Jeremiah Douglas in the building says, hello, December, man. Shout out to Jeremiah and the whole Douglas clan, man. Thobisa says 2025, bro. Okay, you know, I'm here for it. I believe this bull run will be multi-year. So, you know, I think it's going to be stages that we're going to see this bull run, you know, move. But, y'all, I'm here for it, man. Eyeball says Vegas Inu, LFG. Merry Christmas, all, man. Salute. AJ says Shalom. Durham says, you almost called the breakouts right. I am witness. Look, for the people that have been around the block a few times with me, y'all know what time it is. Look, y'all, I just put an additional 20K into Shiba. So and our bags are already nice, but I'm feeling it so nicely right now. I just decided another 20 needs to go into SHIB, man. Another 20. That's how bullish I am right now. Now you can connect the dots after this. This ain't financial advice. Don't go off of me, not telling you what to do. Don't do what I do. You know, do what's best for you. But I'm just letting you know that's how bullish I am right now, y'all. So salute to Durham. BP says, hey, bro, 1 billion Shiba enough, man. Whatever you can afford to, you know, grab is enough, man. I can't say how much you should have, how much you shouldn't have. It's all depending on how much you're willing to risk losing. As long as you can accumulate it, you know, however much, you know, because let's say some people might just put 1,000 at once and call it a day. Some people might build up their bags, you know, with $100 purchase here, $100 purchase there, $100 purchase there. They might end up with, you know, $5,000 worth of Shiba Inu because they've been continuously buying. It just all depends on what you're willing to risk. But Biddy Boo Brown says, I'm new to crypto, so all this stuff has me confused. SHIB is my first time investing. Well, shout out to you, Biddy Boo Brown. Welcome to the SHIB army. Glad you joined us. And I'm glad you picked us. You know what I'm saying? This is definitely not a bad one to pick. Now, remember, Biddy Boo Brown, this is not financial advice. I can't tell you to buy, sell, or hold. I can only share information with you, and it's up to you to do your own due diligence. So always remember that. Just because somebody's saying something in the crypto space, don't just take their word for it. Always go do your own research. So please keep that in mind. And also, a very important rule is to never risk more than you're willing to lose, so you don't put yourself in a tough or tight situation and end up regretting your purchase. So just as long as you keep that in mind, you should be fine. But, you know, welcome to the SHIB army. We are, if you ask me, the strongest crypto community in the entire space. So shout out to you. Alfredo Miranda in the building says, yo, DecemberDeMarco, bring in all the money. Hey, man, I'm trying, bro. Shout out to Durham. Harvey says, just an OG here trying to learn from the intelligent young brother, man. Salute to the OG pulling up on us, man. I told y'all, this channel is diverse. We got the OGs, the young Gs, you know, global with it too. Shout out to Harvey, man. Al Washington says, I hope everybody win. Let's go, y'all, man. Salute. Let everybody know we are live right now. Hit the like button on the stream. Make sure you hit the like button. It's very, very important for the YouTube algorithm to continue to put out this type of information and to let YouTube know that y'all support it and y'all enjoy this type of content. It's very important for us to represent y'all. YouTube is majority taken over by like entertainment type of content and things like that. Y'all got to represent for the investing crypto side of YouTube as well, and let the algorithm know that y'all do appreciate this type of stuff as well. But shout out to Kirk, says, I lost all my crypto applying for online job, but I'm rebuilding Shiba Inu, you to the moon. Dang, bro, that's crazy. How did that happen? How did you, did you click on a scammy link or something like that and give somebody access to your funds? That's what it sounds like. Durham says, don't forget to like for the OG, man. Salute, appreciate that. Eyeball says, when we get the Vegas billboard picks, bro, it's coming very, very soon. Don't worry, bro. Trust me. It's going to be better than you even thought. One Life No Regrets says, let's go Shiba Inu. Vote Inu army in the building, man. Shout out to my Vote army as well. Biddy Brown says, yes, sir, I will. I could only be willing to lose $100 right now. Hey, that's cool. If all you got to lose and are okay with losing is $100, that's perfectly fine. Jay Stan says, what's good, December, man? Salute for everybody pulling up, man. So let's get into this, man. Let's just jump straight to it. We're gonna pull back a little bit. Start off looking at the overall market. But right now, overall market is down 2% today, 2.03%, y'all. But take a look. Market cap sitting at 1.65 trillion. If you don't know what this means, this is really, really good, y'all. This is a really good sign that the markets are in healthy condition, that they're picking up, that things are even about to get better for us. Also, another indication that we could look at is our fear and greed index. The fear and greed index being at a 73, while the overall crypto market cap sitting at a $1.65 trillion market cap. That is bullish as y'all already know. Super, super bullish, because it tells us that people aren't yet to the point of, see, the fear and greed index lets you know a few things, either when people are going to likely to start, where people are going to be likely to start taking profits, or where people are likely just to start panicking and closing out positions. So us sitting at a 73, that's still a very neutral area where it shows the market isn't over, excited. It isn't overbought yet. It isn't to the point where, people are going to start, just dumping bags off. Once we start to see that number move from like a 73 to like 84 or 82, 84, 86 in that range, that's usually when you start seeing people unloading some of their positions. People who bought in earlier, they start locking in some profits around that area. So for the fact that we're sitting at 73, it tells us that you still have time to add to your bags before this next little rally of, people taking profits because they feel the market is, it's a little too hot. So it cools off a little bit, then it gets hot again, cools off a little bit more, it gets hot again. That cycle continues. But take a look at this, y'all. Bitcoin, $42,478 right now, up 156% on the year. It is down 2.5% on a day, but that's perfectly fine, because remember, the markets have to breathe. They can't just continue to go up, 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 up. It doesn't work like that. The entire market will pop in and just become nothing if that's the way it worked. So we got to be happy with the progress that we're seeing. Remember, just not too long ago, 2 months ago, we were basically stuck around $1.3 trillion market cap. So to add $350 billion in market cap in this little of time, man, it's a beautiful thing. So Ethereum, $2,230 right now, up 86% on a year. This is why you want to continue to accumulate, continue to dollar cost average, continue to buy even when it's slow, continue to buy even when you don't see everybody else excited about it, because by the time you do realize that it's time to be excited, then it's too late. You want to have your position already secure and locked in. So Solana jumped to number 4, going crazy. $113, down 6.3%. Even if you would have waited to the last minute when we seen, Solana around $80 and you would have bought a nice bag, it would have still been nice. It's up 54% in the last 7 days. That means whatever you put, you would have made half of your money on top of that. So we got Solana up 1,036% on the year, y'all. I'm salty. To be honest, I'm salty I didn't have more Solana in my bag. Now, I got exposure to Solana, but not as much as I would have hoped or liked seeing, this. But BNB, take a look at this, y'all. 297. BNB up 11.3% on the day. BNB up 17.4% for the week. BNB up only 20% for the year. Think about how much upside that is still left for BNB, y'all. And shout out to my high roller community. Vegas Inu token, if you notice, we are built on the BNB chain. So as BNB continues to do better and better, we will receive sympathy from that, which will likely help the project. Again, not financial advice, but that's usually how things work out. BNB 296.94 right now. XRP 62 cents, Cardano 60 cents, AVAX $44.62, Doge 9 cents, and technically it's a red day in the market, but the price is still looking very, very nice. DOT $8.79, Matic $1.02, Tron 10 cents, Link 218, Shiba Inu 16th place by market cap, sitting at 4 zeros 1056. Look, man, Shiba Inu only up 30% for the year. 4% for the week, down 4% on the day. But guess what? Shiba Inu hasn't got its sympathy yet. Did you pay attention to how Bitcoin started to move? Bitcoin started to hit recent high levels. Ethereum started to move. Recent high levels. Solana started to move. BNB starting to move now. What did I tell y'all? It goes OG coins first, then those blue chips, and then we start to see the OG meme coins, which Doge, Shiba Inu will be in that bunch, and it hasn't even happened yet. So you still got time. Not financial advice. Please don't risk more than you're willing to lose, but you still got time to get that bag together, y'all. Like I said, I just put another 20 into Shiba Inu. That's how confident I am right now. And, we didn't have to do that. We're already good with our bag sizes, but, why not? If I feel this breakout is that imminent, if it's coming like that, you put your money where your confidence is. You got to know what you hold. You got to be confident. And that's one thing with Shiba Inu. I'm very, very confident. You got to remember, too, take a look. We're down 88% from all-time high on Shiba Inu. Do you know how much of a discount that is? How much of an opportunity you still have with that? Especially imagining from these levels and going past all-time high prices. Most people are just thinking about getting back to all-time highs. We're eventually going to be beyond that. So imagine you getting your bags together now. Man, I'm excited for a lot of y'all that are making the right decisions. Not financial advice, but let's take a look at this. So, a lot of y'all, just drop in the comment section. We almost got 100 people in the building. Let the newcomers that, haven't been around the block with us yet, let them know. We really call it out on this channel. We really understand the ways, the markets work to a certain extent, and especially Shiba Inu. Now, I don't have a crystal ball here, so I'm not a fortune teller. I don't know anything about, anything in the market with 100% certainty, but we do have experience, we do have knowledge, and we've been here before. So what I can do is point out certain similarities or things that, I think y'all should be paying attention to. So for all those people asking, where do I see Shiba Inu's price going in the near future? What we're doing right here is something, a part of technical analysis, which is looking at resistance areas. So notice how right in this range here, we see some strong resistance. Now we'll go to that highest point right there. Of course, we do see some resistance here at the 1,200 points per coin level, just about, and give or take a few points for what I'm saying, because we're just rounding these numbers. But we see some resistance at the 1,200 points per coin level. We also see resistance right here around 1,600 points per coin. But that main top level where we can see resistance that I'm aiming for is 1,800 points per coin. And if we look back, we could, and that's not even where I'm aiming for. That's just what the chart is telling us, that our next area of, if we get a nice little breakout, this is our next area we're likely to start seeing the price move to before people start selling heavily. And also, if we want to get confirmation on that, remember, something you always want to do is look left in the chart. You look back in history to see previous support and resistance areas. And if you notice this same area right here, what we're saying about 1,800 points per coin, if we look left, we could see this was also a very strong resist or support area here back in January 2022. So that's another good sign that we want to see. So this is likely the price is, it's like resistance, support and resistance areas are like magnets in the chart, or like magnetic areas. The price wants to pull to one of those areas, whether it be higher or whether it be the support area. It could be the resistance area, which is going to be higher, because remember, resistance means the price is having trouble breaking through that point. Support means the price is having trouble falling below that point. So if the price is like a magnet, or if these resistance areas support or resistance and support, my bad y'all, if these areas are like magnetic areas, the price is trying to work its way to one of these areas, and eventually it's going to hit those resistance points, and that's what we know is going to take place with Shiba Inu. So I'm looking at 1,800 points per coin, and even beyond this. But oh yeah, let them know that. That's what I meant to tell y'all. Let them know that we really do this over here, y'all. Let them know. My bad, y'all. I'm a little excited. I'm all over the place right now, so y'all gotta excuse me for that. But man, we got some exciting times ahead of us. So 1,800 points per coin, and then our next major area beyond that level is 3,000 points per coin, y'all. Get your bags together, man. Get your bags together. Let's see, what percentage is that? Just about. So to the first area, 1,800 points per coin, give or take, that's about 70%. It says 68.39%, but we'll just round that to 70%. So it's about 70% away. So that's a 70% gain on whatever you put at this point if the price goes up to that level, or when the price goes up to that level. And beyond that, 3,000 points per coin, that would be a 181.33% gain from where we are sitting at right now. Don't be that guy or girl who's waiting until price has already moved well into this range until you start realizing what's going on, because it could play around, but you don't want to be right here realizing that 2,600 points per coin that is going to 3,000 points per coin. You want to already have your money in. Remember, time in the market is better than timing the market. Remember that. Let me say that again. Time inside of the market is better than trying to time the market. What most people do, they'll sit back and they'll just keep waiting and say, you know what, I'm gonna hold my money and I'm gonna wait until the perfect time and I'm gonna drop it right before everything explodes. Usually it doesn't work like that. Most people miss that run, so it's better to have your money already deployed into the market, so that way you can take advantage of all that growth and momentum that is going to see over a period of time. So hopefully that's making sense for y'all. That's two areas I gave y'all: 1,800 points per coin and 3,000 points per coin, coming very, very soon. Give or take, y'all, give or take. But those are the two main areas that I'm watching. And now, obviously, do I think Shiba Inu in the future is going to go beyond these levels? Yes, I do. But we're talking about the near areas of price targets. Yeah, we could talk about, when Shiba Inu's, because we also see resistance here. We see that resistance at 3,500 points per coin. We see more resistance right here at 4,000 points per coin, just about. We see more resistance so these are all the major resistance points, back to all-time high. Then we see another one at 5,400 points per coin. And then, of course, all-time high prices. So these are the different price levels that we're going to have to break through. But if or if you're that confident in Shiba Inu and you believe that the price will get back to these levels once, in the future, why not make sure that bag is right now? So let me know if y'all got any questions on this, man. We got 120 people in the building. Make sure y'all hit that like button, show some love if you rocking with this and you appreciate this type of content. Like I said, y'all got to do me a favor and also yourselves a favor. Let YouTube know that, people don't just appreciate pranks and entertainment type of content. We appreciate investing content as well. Shiba Inu content, crypto content, we appreciate that side of YouTube also. So do me a favor, hit the like button so we can push that out in the algorithm. Kirk says, yes, I did. Quintessential says, peace and prosperity to the family. Thanks for DD for the updates. Happy holidays to the chat, man. Salute. Happy holidays to everybody. Quintessential says, please hit the like button. Family is free 99. Shout out to him. Danny B says, so bullish on Vegas Inu token. Vit, high rollers, the best community in crypto. Hey, connect the dots. If you haven't got a bag of Vegas Inu token, do your due diligence, man. That's all I'll say. Shout out to the high roller community. All information linked to Vegas Inu token project in the description section of this video right here. Shout out to Dutch Wabbit says, SHIB Army voting it up too. Floyd Thompson says, do you think Bitcoin will get back down to 39,000? That's a good question. Let's see. Let's take a look. It's at 42. So if I just have to say off the top, it's possible. It's not that far. I can see them, possibly wanting to shake us around a little bit. I wouldn't be surprised with that. Would that make me panic? No. But let's see, 39. So just about here. So looking at that 39,000 area, we do got a little resistance right before we broke into 39,000, like right at 38,000. I see some resistance right there. Usually previous resistance becomes new support. So usually where the price is having trouble breaking out of, usually that resistance point where the price is having trouble breaking out of, once it breaks above that, it's usually has trouble breaking below that point. So I could see it pulling back around 39-ish, give or take, you know, possibly a little bit above that, possibly a little bit below it. It's possible. Do I think that, you know, necessarily will happen? I'm not counting on it, but if it does happen, you know, I think it's a good opportunity for, you know, people to, you know, continue to add or, you know, deploy some more capital if that's what your intentions were. Jay Stan in the building, man. Shout out to Jay Stan. Said, let's go, high rollers. Bergman 86 says, I'm sitting on 14 million SHIB, man. I'm just looking for that baby. Hit $1 and I'm good. Hey, I gotta, all the people that are new to crypto, I gotta be real with y'all. Shiba, we are long way away from Shiba Inu hitting $1. As long as you got the time and you prepared to hold it into the future, then, you know, hey, anything can happen. But Jay Stan says, and we do, high rollers will high roll and vote to the tippy tip top. Shout out to him. AJ says, please hit the like button, y'all. Show some love. George says, blessing brothers and sisters. She being your army, we are here. Let's show Che, Osha, and Dade that we are united and we won't stand for their BS lies. I'm not sure you're talking about, bro. Durham says, you explain very well. I understand everything. Okay, cool, man. I'm glad I can help the people, you know, understand. George says, you sent the link. If you can add 1,000 likes, I'll add it. I'm not sure what you mean by that, George, but I appreciate you, man, sharing it. Shout out to A1, man. It says, yo, high rollers, man. Salute to all my high roller army. Praben says, good news for Shiba Inu. Facts. Yes, Shiba Inu is in line for that breakout, y'all. Shiba Inu is in line. We're seeing it take place. Bitcoin popped. Ethereum, and they're not done, y'all. They're nowhere near done, but we see the cycle of money flowing through just like it's supposed to. Get ready. Durham says, what's the news about Binance and SHIB? We're going to get into that. We're going to look into some crypto top news. Charles Kennedy says, do we think a small pullback / consolidation before the pump? It's possible. It's possible. Just prepare for it if it is, you know. Eyeball says, what do you think? How high can Bad Idea go this bull run? That's a hard one to call because, you know, Bad Idea is a new project. It launched in the bear market. Didn't get a chance really to, you know, experience a bull market. And remember, this is the first time. I mean, I could expect it to pump, but this is the first time we're seeing a token that's not bone or leash, you know, from the ecosystem being promoted by the team. So it has a lot of potential, but I'm just not sure on how to call it for that breakout. But I am bullish on it. I definitely believe, you know, it's not a bad idea, no pun intended, to have some exposure to it. A1 says, what I missed, how long y'all been live? We've been live for only about 22 minutes. I did let some alpha go with Vegas Inu token. If you haven't heard yet, we are working on, now remember, I know some people might feel indifferent about it, but we working on that Crypto Messiah collab, man. I think that'll be, you know, something that the community would appreciate, and, you know, talking with some people, I think, you know, that can add some value. He does have some value in the space. So we working on that right now, but also some other things going on as well. But Mike Jones says, happy holidays to everyone. DD Nation, SHIB Army, Vegas Inu token, man. Salute to my real ones, man, holding it down. All the channel members, man, I extremely appreciate y'all. Praven says, confirm Shibarium blockchain gas fee cut Shibarium. Confirm Shibarium blockchain gas fee cut Shibarium. I'm not sure what you are asking, bro, but the gas fees, I heard they went up to around, like, you know, some people are saying, like, I think like 50 cents, you know, per transaction. George says, Merry Christmas and Happy New Year's. Be blessed. Remember to hodl. Shiba virtual hug, man. Shout out to, I see the name in Arabic. I think that is, I can't pronounce it, but Praven says, let's see all-time high Shiba Inu holder. All the best. Brian says, if anything happens, we will gain a 0. It's possible. If we do gain a 0, you know, you better be adding to that bag. A1 says, she bag already in the green. Good work. Good work. It's about to get greener, A1. Praven says, I only buy Shiba Inu coin because I believe Shiba Inu. Let's see. Hey, we about to see. It did it before. Don't think it can't do it again. Bergman says, I'm sitting on a big bag of SHIB. That's there for when the price is where I want it. It's gone cash and I'm living a good life. And a small bag, that's for sitting on for the long run. That's what I recommend. You know, not financial advice, but I do recommend having multiple bags, short term, mid term, and long term at the minimum, especially on an asset that you're very, very bullish on. Because let's say price breaks out to a crazy level in the short term, you might want to take advantage of that and lock that in. But let's say if that's your only bag, you might not be able to, you know, really take from it how you want to, or you might be afraid to take some profits because you don't know if it's going to continue to go higher. But to eliminate that, short term, mid term, and long term. And I have multiple bags of each. So, you know, connect the dots. Dave D says Shapiro NFTs. George says, sorry, typos. Mystery said, just bought 3.5 million Shiba Inu coin. Good work. George says, I meant to say if I can click 1,000 likes on it, I would have done so. Appreciate you. Okay, I appreciate that, George. Shout out to you, bro. Biddy Boo Brown says, like I said, I am new to all of this. So do I need a cold wallet and a ledger? So ledger is a cold wallet. So, you know, I will recommend having one because remember this phrase. If it's not your keys, it's not your crypto. If you don't own the keyword or the seed phrase to that wallet, you don't truly own the cryptocurrency. So the only way to do that is if you have a DeFi wallet like MetaMask, Trust Wallet, etc. And not financial advice. I'm not telling you, you know, do your own due diligence and figure out which ones to use. But those are what I recommend if you don't hold this against me in a financial way. Everybody pretty much starts off with a Trust Wallet or MetaMask on the DeFi side of things. But Ledger is cool. I do recommend it. Make sure you get it from the authorized retailer. Don't buy it second party because people can have the seed phrase already, repackage it and sell it to you. You can add your crypto to it and then they can have the code and take all your money off of it. So remember, get it from the authorized retailer. And you know, you having your seed phrase means you truly own that crypto. Nobody can, unless you get scammed where you click on a bad link or something, but nobody will have the authority to be able to just go in there and start moving stuff around. But AV68W1 says, been rocking with you and SHIB since April 21. We stayed down for the come up. It's coming, y'all. Man, salute to everybody that been here since April 21, man. Shout out to the old double OGs to the channel, man. A1 says, bad brigade, let's go. Salute. Praven says, I buy Shiba Inu. I don't know what that number is, but 225 something. Ricky says, is that still a good time to accumulate bone at this price? I think so. I think at this time in the market, because remember, time in the market is better than trying to time the market. You got to keep that in mind. Danny B says, in your opinion, do you think 200 million SHIB will make someone wealthy? Merry Christmas and Happy New Year, Didi. So what you got to do, 200 million SHIB, you got to determine, you know, what price did you buy that 200 million SHIB at? So what is your cost? And what price do you plan on selling it at? That's how you got to determine it. And what is, you know, wealthy to you? You know, wealthy to different people means different, you know, numbers. Somebody could say they're wealthy if they had, you know, 500,000. Somebody could say they are wealthy if they had 1 million. Somebody could say you're not wealthy until you have 5 million. Somebody could say you're not wealthy until you have 10 million. Somebody could say you're not wealthy until you have 50 million. So it all depends on you, where you're from, what wealthy is to you, and your price that you determine that you will sell at. Now, if you got 200 million SHIB, just do the math on at what price do you plan on selling and what is the percentage from, you know, and what is the percentage in that price action. And then you could just do the math and see how much money you would make. So if you plan on selling at a quarter of a cent, a half a cent, at 1 cent, just do the math on 200 million SHIB times, you know, a half a cent, a quarter cent, 1 cent, and then you'll get your number. But, you know, you got to determine how long are you prepared to hold. If it takes, you know, 5 years to get to 1 cent, are you prepared to hold it for that long? You got to ask yourself that. George says, all kidding aside, we need to hodl. All SHIB, bad idea, Shina and Loom, early next year, first quarter, buy, boom, accumulate and hold. We will be sorry. bro, excited right there. Praven says, all altcoin pumping, but Shiba Inu no pumping because Satoshi consumed a big announcement. So all holders waiting Shiba Inu. Nah, it ain't that, bro. That ain't it. What it is Shiba Inu just didn't get his time yet. That's all. Hey, this ain't financial advice, man, but if y'all know to connect the dots, connect the dots. It's about to happen, man. The money is flowing through all the other cryptocurrencies first. It has to flow from the top to the bottom. So it's flowing through the top OG coins, Bitcoin, Ethereum first. You've seen Bitcoin broke over 42, 43, 44,000. Ethereum, 2,300. BNB, all those, XRPs, the Solanas, those first. And then here comes Doge and SHIB. It just hasn't happened yet. Be patient, man. Be patient. You about to trick yourself out your spot already? Scott says it's about to get good for an 18-month stretch starting very soon, man. I'm excited. Twin the Boss says, what's the best wallet to use? It really depends on your use case or what you need it for, and all different things like that. But I recommend checking out the Ledger or the Treasure wallet. But it's not financial advice because I don't want something to happen one day with Ledger wallet and then you be coming back to the channel like, man, you told me to get a Ledger wallet and the company went bankrupt or, you know, something like that. I don't know. Just do your own due diligence. But Biddy Boo Brown says, okay, thank you. Welcome. Mystery says, do you have YubiKey? No. Salam says, Shiba too big for significant gains. Sure, it could up with the market, but if you're trying to make big gains, it's better to look at smaller memes. Kokinu has great community and room to grow 5 to 10x. Hey, you better check out Vegas Inu token. If we talking about small, organic, real communities in the crypto space, you need to check out Vegas Inu token. Do your due diligence. Get your bags together, man. Don't say I did not tell you. Nunu says, go short on Bitcoin. Hey, do what's best for you. A1 says, I think it's definitely still a good time to accumulate anything. We not in full bull just yet. Facts. George says, SHIB will kick in with a burn mechanism. That's what it's all about. Then we'll see the hype around SHIB. You got to remember, Shiba Inu is Shiba Inu without the burn mechanism, without the dev team, without all that. Please understand, y'all. Shiba Inu is Shiba Inu. The dev team just help add value to its ecosystem. But Shiba Inu is going to do what Shiba Inu is going to do regardless. Bergman says, my 14 million SHIB cost me $151. It's a win. Haha. Mystery says, you know, if Shiba does the same thing as Bitcoin and I sell my 2.5 million SHIB coins, I will have 40 billion USD. That's if it goes like 40K in 10 to 25 years. That's what I'm talking about. Those of you that got those long-term timelines, Shiba Inu is a long-term project, I believe. Scott says, I have a nice bag of SHIB, and when things get hot, I'm going to sell high and buy back in low throughout the bull run. Good plan. Roland says, short Bitcoin run coming, and then a good correction. Twin Ball says, 1,200 in VIT now. About to grab some more. Hey, connect the dots. Good work, bro. Solomon says, thumbs down, LOL. For Real's World says, when do you think the altcoin season will start, please? I think it's already starting. I think it's already starting. It's just, slowly playing out. We just got to be patient. That's all, to be honest. It ain't even really much to say, y'all. It's about to start. We can look at some some news on SHIB. Let's see. Please come and celebrate the new area of Shibirum NFTs with a glass of champagne, prizes plus good chat. So the Shibirum NFTs, guess who's strutting their Shibi stuff in Times Square? Our Shiboshis are taking over the big screens, and rumor has it's even Spider-Man. Even Spider-Man asks for an autograph. In 2 weeks, new chance. Submit your Shibo on Discord. SHIB for life says Special K. Okay, little infographic breaking down, some of the key or historic things about Shiba Inu. Who is in New York Times Square? Can you record the billboard for us? Lucy asked 3 hours ago. My good friend doesn't believe it's real. 5:02 p.m. Eastern time. Lucy says, show me your best coins. Bone, bad. Y'all, it's about to heat up, man. I don't know what else y'all need me to tell y'all, but it's about to get real. Really, really real. Shibirum community getting ready for the bull run. They're giving you the signs right now, y'all. And it's about to move fast. This one thing you need to know about Shiba Inu. When SHIB starts to move, it goes very, very fast. So shout out to CoinSwaps, the leading OTC exchange in Dubai. They display only BTC and SHIB at the entrance of the company besides their own logo. This is proof that SHIB is very popular in Dubai. That's what's up, man. That is dope right there. Super, super dope. Can't wait till the day VIT is doing something like that. But Lucy says smart money understands where the people are. So whale alert, $23.5 million transferred from Binance to an unknown wallet. What does that mean? That means a whale is bullish that Shiba Inu's price is about to break out. So instead of leaving it on the exchange, they want to hold it for safekeeping. They think it's about to go for a wild ride. They don't want to risk leaving it on the exchange. Shiba Inu blows up and they get $1 billion worth of profit, and then the exchange has some difficulty or it shuts down or whatever. Because remember, if you leave your money on the exchange, it's considered a loan to the exchange. It's not your money. Even if you're using Coinbase, Binance, whatever you're using, that's not your money. It's their money. You got to have a cold wallet. Now, granted, you could leave your money on there. I'm not telling you got to take it off, do whatever you want. Do what's best for you. But I'm just letting you know to be aware of that. Wolf says SRC20 now supports burning. Transfer to the burning address. Shibirum nears 200 million total transactions. Analysts reveal how Shiba Inu's L2 can send SHIB price surging. So this is all the ecosystem does, y'all. It just adds value to what Shiba Inu already is. So good morning, Shibirum, and to all the people who slept like me for 12 hours. That doesn't happen often in crypto. Shiba Inu team says all Shibirum burns are manual until upgrade. So it looks like we might be having an upgrade with Shibirum. Special Case says the rumors in the streets is that I'm bad to the bone. Might be in the realm I'm always trending on. May I ask? Considering a new profile picture at Shiboshi World from 1 to 4, which one do you think is best? Lucy's asking. Shiboshi's is the alpha, play to earn. So, just some watch out for this imposter. There's an imposter pretending to be Cal. Don't get scammed. If anybody from the SHIB team or claiming to be from the SHIB team reaches out to you, please don't fall for it. But yeah, y'all, that's pretty much it, man. I'm giving y'all the heads up. 4 signs Shiba Inu will have exceptional weeks ahead. I've been telling y'all. Shiba Inu burn surges by 5,000% while trillions of tokens leave exchanges. Man, connect those dots up. Connect those dots up. Terrence Bertrand says, I got 212 million SHIB in one account and 275 in another. I just need a deletion of 2 zeros. Chuck Ching, like you said, one for the long term, one for the short term. Good work. David Soto says, what's up, December? God bless you. Merry Christmas. Imagine when Shibarium auto burns, then SHIB chain, then SHIB association begins to get active and burn the supply down and FOMO kicks in. Yeah, we got a lot of exciting opportunity here with the burn with Shibarium and Shiba Inu. You know, shout out to the dev team putting that together because, you know, without utility in that use case, usage, you know, we don't have a way to burn Shiba Inu unless people buy it themselves out of pocket and directly burn it. So shout out to the team for creating that. Mike Jones says, I guess the community doesn't want to burn SHIB. Still haven't hit that 100 like mark. Yeah, it's crazy. Hey, look, right now, we got over $1,000 that we could burn in Shiba Inu. All you have to do is go to the Vegas Inu token Twitter page, hit the like button. If we get 100 likes on that post, we will be burning from our community over $1,000. I think it's like 1,100 and something, 1,160 bucks or something like that. But it's the profits from the merch sales from Vegas Inu token. So if you want to support that burning, you know, let's do it. All we need is 100 likes on that post. Just go to Vegas Inu token on Twitter, X, and hit the post or hit the like button. DeMarcus Reed says, is Tangem a good wallet? I haven't tested it out yet, but I've been hearing a lot of good reviews from it. Shotty Johnson says, where can I buy Vegas Inu at? You can buy it at vegasinewtoken.com, or you can buy it on pancakeswap using the contract address. The contract address is in the description section of this video. I'm telling y'all, go check out Vegas Inu token. If you like to make money and you like to be a part of early, real organic crypto projects, I'm giving this one the stamp. Go check it out. Mads Noble says, my son and I have been watching you for more than a year now. We would like to thank you for your positive attitude, great info, and education about SHIB, man. Salute to you and your son, man. I appreciate y'all for tapping in and rocking and supporting the channel, man. Nunu says, I think I'm going to go short on SHIB, 1,000 USDT. Can you go short with me? Awesome, because I'm scared a little bit. Hey, you do that at your own risk. Now, of course, you can go short very, very short term. You know, you can make money on the very small price corrections that do take place. That's possible. You can trade going both directions all the way up throughout the bull run. You know, it's possible, but do that at your own risk. Crypto Be Well in the building says it's about to get real. Let them know, bro. It's about to go down. That's facts. Peachy Potato says Tangem is good. Thumbs up. Okay, shout out to Tangem. The team is supposed to be sending me a Tangem wallet, you know, to review, but I just haven't sent them. I haven't got back to them yet. But Bergman says, I'm an Aussie dad living a laid-back life. 500K to 2 million makes me a happy man. All my bills gone and my family living a good life. Anything over that is a win. See, that's what I'm saying. That's why I said some people would say, you know, 500,000 isn't wealthy. You know, me personally, I don't think $500,000 is wealthy. It's a nice amount of money, but it's not wealthy if you ask me. But for some lifestyles, that's more than enough money to, you know, live, be happy, you know, do what you got to do, take care of your responsibilities, and just live a good life. But it's all depending on the person. But, you know, 500K to 2 million, he says, he'll be good with that. 1G White, dropping those fire emojis. Shout out to you. Kieran in the building, another channel member holding it down for the DD Nation, man. Happy holidays, SHIB Army and High Roller. Salute. Crypto Be Well says, Shotty Johnson, pancake swap. Nunu says, maybe we're going to watch South Park. Mystery says, what should I invest in now? I invested in Shiba Inu. Should I invest in Doge as well? I can't tell you what to invest in, but do I think Dogecoin is about to go up? Yes, I do. I think the price will go up, but I could be wrong, so don't hold that against me. Danny B says, Paul Swap starting to move with SHIB also. Mike Jones says, we had 62 likes on that SHIB burn post, High Roller SHIB Army. So we need 38 more likes, y'all. 38 more likes. If 38 people are listening to this, which we got 150 people on the stream right now, 38 people, all you have to do is go to Vegas Inu Token Twitter page or X page, hit the like button, and we will be burning an additional $1,000 of Shiba Inu coming straight from the Vegas Inu Token community, man. DeMarcus Reed says, where can you buy Vegas Inu Token? You can buy it at vegasinewtoken.com. You will need BNB, or you can buy it from pancakeswap. Go to pancakeswap and type in the Vegas Inu Token contract address, and you'll be able to buy it right there. The contract address is in the description section of this video. Remember, time in the market beats trying to time the market. Don't be one of those people that think you got the timer perfectly figured out. Just be patient. Roland says, what's a good brand? Cold storage wallet, you know, Ledger. Crypto Shady in the building says, hey, December, is December the GOAT or what? Haha. Shout out to Crypto Shady. Nunu says, do you really read these books? Of course. Shotty Johnson says, thanks. Roland says, I'll take it. DeMarcus Reed said, I just hit the like button and subscribe, man. Appreciate that. Nunu says, BlackRock will completely destroy Bitcoin. Why do you think that, Nunu? PD Pure says, salute family, man. One of the OGs to the channel. PD Pure holding it down on the front lines of the DD Nation. And not just the DD Nation, man. The High Roller Army as well, man. Shout out to PD. But yeah, y'all, we got some exciting things. PD, I just been telling them, Shiba Inu is looking primed to go. You see the money flowing Bitcoin, Ethereum, Solana, BNB pumping now, sitting at 296, XRP. It's going to continue to trickle down into these other coins, and it's coming to Shiba Inu, y'all. We might have another wave, one more little mini wave before it hits Shiba Inu's wave, but just know it's coming. You better be prepared. I know that. So let's see, top stories in crypto. This New York University student owns a $6 million crypto mine. His secret is out. Sheesh. Crypto mining report analyzing the impact of miners' altcoins. Lawsuit filed against a Bitcoin mine in Texas shows links to China. Crypto's 23 was marred by fraud and scandal. It was the best year ever. Japan's cabinet proposes scrapping corporate tax on unrealized crypto gains. Wildest crypto predictions of 24. So just looking at the top story, seeing what they're talking about. The crypto queen pulling the strings at Binance. CZ tops list of crypto billionaires despite legal woes. Binance founder CZ's wealth grew by 25 billion in 23. Yeah, anybody holding on to BNB right now is looking real nice. Let's see what they're talking about with the Bitcoin ETFs. Just imagine, y'all, Bitcoin ETFs on the way. It's about to get crazy. So BlackRock will completely destroy Bitcoin. Shock price warning as leak reveals huge spot ETF date. No way BlackRock is destroying Bitcoin. 5 reasons why a spot Bitcoin ETF approval could send Bitcoin price above 100K. Bitcoin ETF countdown. Top 7 cryptos to buy before the boom. Spot Bitcoin ETF approval may be coming in January, experts say. So we have been hearing about that January 10th date. A lot of people talking about. I even seen some, headlines talking about how it's possible in the next, like 2-3 weeks, we could be potentially seeing approvals or some confirmation for approvals on these Bitcoin ETFs. Grayscale chair Silbert resigns while SEC molds Bitcoin ETF. Grayscale board resignation, a show of best behavior before Bitcoin ETF nod. BlackRock reveals plan to seize spot Bitcoin ETF with 10 million on January 3rd. So connect the dots, y'all. Industry leaders see Hong Kong as next Bitcoin ETF hub amid U.S. approval anticipation. So these are the top stories. You got to hear these stories, see these stories, and start to connect the dots from there. Quintessential says peace and prosperity to the VIT family, LFG. Nunu said Forbes writes something like this 4 hours ago. Hey, don't listen to the major headlines all the time, because remember, while they're telling you one thing, they're doing something else. They're, scaring you, trying to get you to sell your positions so the price can go cheaper, so they can buy up more. And then they'll tell you, hey, everything is, going to the moon after this. Everything is taking off. Now that they done tricked you out of your position, now you have to come back, jump back in and buy it again. Pharrell's World said, Merry Christmas, bro. Do you think we can delete 2 zeros in the coming bull run? What's your thought? If the bull run lasts into 2025 and beyond, I definitely think it's possible to lose 2 zeros on Shiba Inu. I do think that's possible. Biddy Boo Brown says, I hit the follow button on X and hearted. Thank you. I appreciate that. Everybody, if you want to help us burn $1,000 or like $1,160 worth of Shiba Inu, all you got to do is go to Vegas Inu Token Twitter page. Give us a follow while you're over there. Make sure you followed us too, Biddy Boo Brown. Give us a follow and also hit the like button on the post talking about 100 likes and we'll be burning the Shiba Inu. Dom in the building said, how much Shiba Inu need to hold for $1 billion? I'm not sure what you mean, $1 billion or, $1 billion tokens. I'm sure what you mean. Petey Pierce says, hit the like buttons coming in. If you haven't already hit the like button on the stream, please do so. Nunu says 11 hours. Ricky Johnson says, what up, gang? Salute. Crypto Shady said, yo, December, I've been telling people to be patient while Shibirum gets sorted. And now look at the burns we're getting so far. This is only just the beginning. That's facts, bro. Roland says, buy the fear. Facts. You want to buy into that fear. When you see people afraid, when people getting scared, that's when you really want to be buying. Buy when there's blood in the streets. When the market is fearful, it's time to be greedy. When the market is greedy, that's when it's time to be fearful. Connect the dots. How to construction says just like and subscribe. I like your content and appreciate all the info you give in crypto, man. Shout out to How to Construction, man. Appreciate that. I might have to come check out the channel and learn some construction if that's what you got going on over there, bro. Twin the Boss says, have you heard of Arculus wallet? No, I haven't. But yeah, y'all, that's all we got for this one, man. I'm excited. It ain't too much to say, but get ready. It ain't even too much to say. Be ready. Please be ready. Don't say I ain't tell you. Kieran says, any news about the burns the teams didn't do? No, they told us basically they'll be doing them in, you know, in portions, basically. They were just trying not to affect, I guess, the liquidity, you know, or affect the price too much by burning, you know, too much all at once. But Crypto Shady says, give me the mic. The cheat code is to buy it when it's red. This is somebody who knows the game. This is somebody who's been around already. He's been practicing, you know, what he's been, you know, preaching, what he hears, and it's working out, y'all. Danny B says, as always, thank you, man. Salute to Danny B, man. Appreciate you rocking with me. Clean Whips in the building with the vote emoji. Shout out to everybody from the Vote Army as well, man. I got to give a quick shout out to Vegas Inu token. Make sure y'all go check out VIT, man. Vegas Inu token, the coolest organic crypto community in the space right now. You could come check it out and see. Join our Telegram. Go follow us on X at Vegas Inu token and come see for yourself. G says, will Shiba Inu at 1 cent in 2025? I can't say for sure, bro. I can't call it. I don't got the crystal ball here, man. I really wish I did know. If I knew she was going to 1 cent in 2025 for sure, I would sell everything I owned and put it all into SHIB. Quintessential said, thanks, bro. Brother DD, for the updates. You're welcome, bro. Charlie said, just ate Chipotle. Now I'm rolling my biggest backwood for some good Shiba Inu news. Hey, man. Hopefully it's that honey. Or you might like the berries. Roland says, later, VIT family. I'll see you in Telegram, man. Go turn up in the Telegram for the VIT community. Durham says, how high can Bone go, you think? You know, I think everything can at least go back to its all-time high prices. Anonymous says, 1 W Luna equals 1 Luna. ERC20 smart contracts are immutable. Florin says, Wagwan, because Shiba is gone. Get it lit and OTK. Crypto Shady says, thanks, man. You are my inspiration, man. Salute to Crypto Shady, man. Always rocking with me, showing support for the channel, man. I appreciate you. People like you, Crypto Shady, some of y'all OGs to the channel, some of y'all people that really come show love. I ain't gonna lie, y'all are an inspiration to me. Y'all motivate me to keep going hard, you know? So I appreciate that, man. Shout out to y'all. Orlando W says, get rich, everybody. Shout out to Orlando. Pharrell's World says, Merry Christmas, bro. Do you think we can delete 2 zeros in the upcoming bull run? What's your thoughts? So you must have missed it when I explained that. I did say if the bull run, you know, lasts well into 2025, I think it's possible. Rick Green says, appreciate you, bro. Always giving game, man. Hey, that's what I try to do, man. I try to come give some game to the people so we can all level up financially. Shout out to Rick Green. Net Trading says, what's up, bro? Do you know why the website for BTC ETF token stopped working? No, I don't know, bro. Nunu says, I am keeping a close eye on the evolution of this digital asset and its potential impact on the future of finance. Shout out to Nunu. Athol says, can't wait for the SHIB fam to be posting their gains. Once it breaks the all-time high, she will prevail. Facts. I can't wait till we seeing all those, you know, new stories of new Shiba Inu millionaires, first-time 100,000aires. Can't wait for it, man. Quintessential says, VIT family, I'm earning free sweat coin while walking right now. Check it out. Shout out to Parav coming through with the super chat, man. Salute for the $7 coming from, I think that's Canada, man. Says, got some Shiba and XRP. Something will explode. What you think, bro? To be honest, I think both of those are. Both of Shiba and XRP are a part of my 10-year plus portfolio, meaning I want to hold those two assets for at least 10 years. Of course, I got short-term, mid-term bags, but I also got bags that I'm prepared to hold for 10 years. Roland says, throw some VIT dots. Hey, connect those dots up. Connect the dots, man. Vegas Inu token. All information to the project in the description section of this video. Time in the market beats timing the market, y'all. I'm going to keep saying it. Connect the dots. Ken Obi says, any updates on VIT? We need to be on CG and CMC. What is causing the delay? Anything we are not doing right? Even coins are getting listed. What's going on? So I'm gonna look into that again, you know, this evening, see if we can get those applications back submitted. I had to just wait that grace period before you can reapply, because I guess I didn't add some type of whatever confirmation number that they send in the email to the Twitter post that you have to make when you're doing that. But matter of fact, we will be trying to get on that, you know, hopefully as soon as tomorrow, to see if you can you know, get those submitted again. But shout out to Kenobi. Kieran says, peace out, DD Nation. Have a good New Year's. Pete, man. Salute to everybody for rocking with us. Appreciate y'all for pulling up, and we are out.